Ectoparasiticides. You are given 10 seconds to answer each question. So, let's go. Number 1. Which of the following is classified under organochlorines? A. Carbaryl, B. Toxaphene, C. Deltamethrin, and D. Amitraz. Answer B. Toxaphene. Toxaphene belongs to the group cyclodines, which is an organochlorine, alongside with heptachlor, chloridane, dieldrine, edrine, and etc. Number 2. Which of the following is classified under carbamates? A. Carbaryl, B. Toxaphene, C. Deltamethrin, and D. Amitraz. Answer A. Carbaryl. Examples of carbamates are carbaryl and propuxur. Number 3. Which of the following is classified under pyrethroids? A. Carbaryl, B. Toxaphene, C. Deltamethrin, and D. Amitraz. Answer C. Deltamethrin. Deltamethrin is an example of pyrethroid. Number 4. Which of the following is classified under formamidines? A. Carbaryl, B. Toxaphene, C. Deltamethrin, D. Amitraz. Answer D. Amitraz. Amitraz is an example of formamidines. 5. Which of the following is classified under insect growth modifiers? A. Imidacloprid, B. Benzylphenylureas, C. Deltamethrin, and D. Avermectin. Answer B. Benzylphenylureas. Examples of insect growth modifiers are benzylphenylureas and etc. 6. Which of the following is not a factor affecting the action of insecticides? A. Active ingredient, B. Age, C. Stress, and D. Species variation. Answer A. Active ingredients. Presented on the screen are the factors affecting the action of insecticides. 7. Non-biodegradable, hence not used currently because of environmental issues. Answer D. Organochlorines. Organochlorines are prone to health hazards, non-biodegradable, hence this is not used currently because of its issues. 8. Are acutely more toxic and have less environmental persistence than organochlorines. Answer organophosphates. They are acutely more toxic and have less environmental persistence than organochlorines. 9. These are very much popular ectoparasiticides because of their selective toxicity to insects and are generally safe in mammals and birds. Answer A. Pyrethroids. 10. These compounds are effective against a wide range of nematodes and arthropods and as such referred as insecticides. Answer C. Macrocyclic lactones. 11. Most of the insecticides are applied topically as Answer D. All of the above. 12. These contain high concentrations and they are either absorbed through the skin, act systemically, or act by surface contact. C. Boron. 13. These are used for the control of mites, ticks, lice, and flies on sheep, cattle, goat, and horse. Answer C. Purons. 14. These are directly sprayed on the animal, bud, or in cattle shed, burns, stables, and dairies. D. Suspension insecticides, also called as aqueous emulsion. 15. Which dog breed is most likely to exhibit an idiosyncratic reaction to ivermectin? Answer D. Coli. Some colis develop blindness, coma, and death in response to ivermectin. 16. Botanical insecticide that is obtained from the rhizome of Curcuma longa. Answer: curcumin. Curcumin is obtained from the rhizome of Curcuma longa. 17. Botanical insecticide that is an alkaloid derived from the powdered root of Deris plant or Deris eclipta. Answer: D. Nicotine. Nicotine is an alkaloid of leaves of the Nicotiana tabacum. 18. Botanical insecticide that is the insecticidal principle of neem oil obtained from the seeds of Azadirachta indica. Answer A. Azadirachtin. Azadirachtin is the insecticidal principle of neem oil obtained from the seeds of Azadirachta indica. Number 19. These chemicals so not kill insect parasite directly but interferes with the growth and development of immature stages. B. Insect growth modifiers. These chemicals do not kill insect parasites directly but interferes with their growth. Number 20. Inhibits the microsomal enzyme system of arthropods and prevents inactivation of insecticides by the parasites. Answer A. Piperonyl butoxide. It is a synergistic with knockdown insecticides, especially in synthetic pyrethroids. 21. Mimic the action of the juvenile hormones of insects. Answer C. Chiromazine. Chiromazine mimic the actions of the juvenile hormones of insects. Number 22. This drug inhibits chitin synthesis in larvae and eggs of insects. Answer B. Diflubenzuron. Diflubenzuron inhibits the chitin synthesis in larvae and eggs of the insects. 23. It is a chlorinated derivative of nicotine, and spinosad is the fermentation product of a soil actinomycet Saccharopolyspora spinosa. Answer D. Imidacloprid, which is a chlorinated derivative of nicotine. 24. In insects, blank is involved in amine neurotransmitters metabolism, and octopamine causes tonic contractions of muscles. Answer A. Monoamino oxidase. 25. It is a formamidine insecticide against ticks, mites, lice, and domesticated animals as prey or dead. Answer B. Amitraz. Amitraz is a formamidine insecticide against ticks, mites, and lice. 26. It is an analog to insects' juvenile hormone and antagonizes their action in metamorphosis of larva stages to adult insecticides. Answer D. Metformin. Metformin antagonizes their action in metamorphosis of larval stages to adult insecticides. 27. These are products of Streptomyces cyanogrisus. Answer C. Milbemycins. Number 28. Ectoparasiticides are a class of Answer B. Insecticides. They are used for controlling or eradicating external parasites of animals. Next, it is readily absorbed in the gastrointestinal tract with the time to maximum blood concentration being 1.21 hours in dogs and 0.63 hours in cats. Answer B. Nitanpyram. 30. It is a contact and systemic insecticide and acaricide and has been used in space tips, pour-ons for ship control lice and blue fly strike in some countries. Answer D. Spinosad. 31. It is a class of antiparasiticides that have both insecticidal and acaricicidal activities. Answer C. Isosazoline. So this class of antiparasiticides have both insecticidal and acaricidal activities. 32. What generation of pyrethroids lack environmental stability? Answer, the first generation. The first generation are similar to the natural pyridine, cynorine 1, and therefore lack environmental stability. Number 33, what generation of pyrethroids have significantly greater killing capacity than the natural pyrethyrines? Answer B, second generation. 34. These are agents used for controlling or eradication of external parasites of animals such as tick, mite, lice, and flies. Answer A. Ectoparasiticides. Ectoparasiticides are a class of insecticides that are used against controlling and eradication of external parasites. 35. Insecticide is applied over body surface of animal which gets absorbed into the insect's body through its chitinous cuticle following surface contact. Answer C. Contact poison. Number 36. Absorption of eaten insecticide as tissue or fat into insect's body through membrane in midgut of the insect. Answer B. Stomach poison. The insecticides are either absorbed through animal skin or stomach and then distributed throughout the body. Answer A. Systemic poison. 38. It is an insecticide that is released in the air as gas or suspension and enters to the body through respiratory system. Answer D. Fumigants. They are released into the insect's body through respiratory system. 39. What generation of pyrethroids are noted for their photostability and potency? Answer C. Third generation. 40. What generation of pyrethroids are most potent? Answer D. The fourth generation of pyrethroids. 41. The pyrethyrines were derived from plant plants, while in recent years they have been slowly replaced with synthetic pyrethroids. Answer C. Chrysanthemum. 42. It is most often formulated pyrethrin in shampoo for dogs and cats to kill fleas and or ticks. Answer B. Alethrine. 43. It is probably the most widely used pyrethroid in veterinary medicine. Answer C. Permethrin. Next, it is approved for use as an ear tag and as a pour-on for cattle with no withdrawal time. Answer A. Cifluthrin. 45. After exposing to a particular ectoparasiticides, the pest would develop the behavior to avoid the agent. Answer A. Behavioral resistance. 46. It inhibits chitin formation in cuticle of insects. Answer C. Benzylphenylureas. 47. It inhibits the microsomal enzyme system of arthropods and prevents inactivation of insecticides by the parasites. Answer D. Piperenil butoxide. 48. They help in attracting the insects to a particular site where they can be killed by application of insecticides. Answer B. Insect attractors. 49. A long-acting drug is Answer B. Highly absorbed but slowly eliminated. 50. What is an effective antidote for carbamate poisoning? Answer C. Atropine sulfate.